How you doing, guys? This is kind of a redo of the cubing binomials, because the last one I do not know what happened. I will triple check this time to make sure that doesn't happen again. Let's get into it. So, I reckon what we were cubing was, so I logged on to my YouTube, right? And I was gonna, check some things, watch some videos, and I'm like, yo, I have like 2 or 3 dislikes and no likes. Like, where are all of these haters coming from? And I'm like, oh. I watched the video, and then like 2 minutes in, I'm like, oh, that's why I would have disliked the video too. So anyway, so just imagine this squared times itself. So square this. It's 16n squared minus 12 times 2, so minus 24. And then negative 3 squared is plus 9. Oh, this is pretty basic, right? But then we gotta multiply that. This. Start with the cubed term. 64 n cubed minus 24. So minus 96, but then again minus 3 times 16. So actually that's going to sum up to 144. And then 9 times 4, 36. Minus 24 times minus 3, 72. So plus 108. And then minus 3 cubed, minus 27. So this is our answer to this. How can we do it easily? So I'm going to give you something. You can take a screenshot of this. Or something. But if you have a polynomial, a binomial, in the form ax plus b, you know that when you square it, it's going to look like a squared x squared plus a b x 2abx plus b squared. But when it's cubed, in fact, it's going to look like a cubed that's supposed to be a 3, just FYI, but sorry, the lighting is bad in here. Okay. So it's going to look like this. A cubed x cubed plus 3a squared bx squared plus 3ab squared x plus b cubed. Okay? Let's try 4 and minus 3. So this a cubed is just going to be 64. And then our x cubed. This pencil is trash. and then plus 3 times 16, which is a squared, and then times minus 3, so 48 times minus 3. 48 times 3 is going to be minus 144 x squared. Then the next term is going to be minus 3 times minus 3, so 9 times 4, 36, times 3 is plus 108. That's a 108 x, and then plus b cubed. It's just going to be minus 27 in this case. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll probably do a similar thing for raising something like this to the 4th power, just one of these, just give it to you in maybe an hour or so. But for now, this is Math Made Easy. Have a nice day. Also, like and subscribe and hit the bell because we got to get me to 1,000 subs so I can live stream on my phone again, which is really making me depressed that I can't. Don't know why YouTube feels the need to harm small creators, to limit so many people's growth, but hey, that sucks. So have a nice day, and bye.